Hey gamers, ready to level up your channel in 2024? This ain't no Minecraft tutorial, we're talking serious growth here. We all know gaming channels are where it's at. It's not like those unboxing channels or whatever. Gaming is forever. But seriously, getting your channel to explode like it's got a creeper inside takes work. So buckle up, smash that like button harder than you rage quit after losing a boss fight, and let's get this bread. All right, listen up, because this is important. YouTube's always changing its algorithm, right? It's like they're trying to keep us on our toes, those sneaky devils. But this year, it's all about keeping up with the 2024 updates, especially for gaming channels. These updates, they're like patches in a game. They change how things work, how your videos get seen. Think of it like this. You wouldn't go into a boss fight without knowing its weaknesses, right? Same here. We gotta understand these updates, so YouTube promotes our videos to the right people. For example, I heard they're pushing longer watch times even more now. So those 30-second epic fail compilations might not cut it anymore. We gotta think bigger, think longer, think like a YouTube exec who only cares about watch time. Okay, maybe not that last part, but you get the idea. Longer, engaging content is king. Look at those Let's Play videos. Those can go on for ages and people love them. But it's not just about length. It's about keeping people hooked, making them want to watch the whole thing. That means good commentary, funny moments, epic wins, and yeah, maybe even some rage quits because hey, we're all human, right? We'll dive deeper into content later, but remember, the algorithm is our friend if we know how to play the game. All right, so we talked about the algorithm, but now let's talk about the meat and potatoes of your channel, the content. And let me tell you, consistency is key. You can't just upload one video and expect to become the next ninja, you know? You gotta treat this like a job, a fun job, but a job nonetheless. Think of it like a workout routine. You wouldn't just go to the gym once a month and expect to see results, would you? No, you gotta be consistent. Show up, put in the work. Same with YouTube. Set a schedule, whether it's one video a week, 2 videos, whatever works for you, but stick to it. Your viewers, they crave that consistency. They want to know when to expect their dose of. And don't just upload for the sake of uploading. Make sure your content is engaging, entertaining, and most importantly, genuine. People can spot a fake from a mile away, so just be yourself. Let your personality shine through. If you're passionate about a game, it'll show in your videos, and that's what people connect with. Look at all the successful gaming YouTubers out there. They all have their own unique style, their own quirks. That's what makes them stand out. So find your niche, find your voice, and let it rip. So you're making awesome content, you're consistent, but you know what takes it to the next level? Community. You gotta treat your viewers like they're your friends, your comrades in arms, because they are. Engage with them in the comments, respond to their messages, even if it takes time. I know, dealing with comments can be a pain, especially with all the trolls and haters out there. But trust me, building a strong community is worth it. It's like having your own army of loyal fans who will support you, defend you, and most importantly, watch your videos. Live streams are another great way to connect with your audience in real time. It's like hanging out with your friends, playing games, and just having a good time. Plus, it shows your viewers that you're not just some faceless entity behind a screen, you're a real person who enjoys interacting with them. And hey, don't forget about social media, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all those platforms are your friends. Use them to promote your videos, share behind-the-scenes content, and just keep the conversation going with your fans. Remember, building a community takes time and effort, but it's one of the most rewarding aspects of being a YouTuber. So get out there, be yourself, and start building your army of loyal fans. All right, let's talk SEO. Search engine optimization. Sounds boring, right? Like something your grandma would watch a tutorial on. But trust me, this is crucial if you want people to actually find your videos. Think of SEO as like putting up a giant neon sign pointing right at your channel. It's all about using the right keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, so YouTube knows what your video is about and who to show it to. First up, keywords. These are the words and phrases people type into YouTube when they're looking for videos like yours. Let's say you're making a video about the latest Call of Duty game. You'll want to include keywords like Call of Duty, COD gameplay, COD tips and tricks, you get the idea. But don't just stuff your titles and descriptions with keywords. That's spammy, and YouTube will punish you for it. Use them naturally, like you're talking to a friend. Next up, your video description. This is your chance to give YouTube and your viewers a more detailed overview of what your video is about. Don't just write one sentence, go into detail. Explain what games you're playing, what challenges you're facing, what makes your video unique. And don't forget to include those keywords. Finally, tags. These are like little labels you attach to your video so YouTube knows what category it belongs in. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. For example, gaming is a broad tag, while Minecraft speedrun is more specific. By using a good mix of tags, you're increasing the chances of your video being found by the right people. Let's be real for a second. Gaming channels are in a league of their own. We're not like those cooking channels or those makeup tutorial channels, no offense to them, but come on, gaming is where it's at, and the numbers don't lie. Gaming channels consistently rank among the most watched and most subscribed channels on YouTube. Why is that? Well, for starters, gaming is a global phenomenon. Millions of people around the world play video games, and they're always hungry for more content. Whether it's watching walkthroughs, reviews, or just funny gameplay moments, gamers love to consume content related to their favorite hobby. Another reason is the passion of the gaming community. Gamers are a dedicated bunch, and they're always eager to support creators who share their love for gaming. When you combine that passion with the reach and engagement of YouTube, you have a recipe for explosive growth. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the connection. Gaming channels have a unique ability to bring people together. We share our love for games, we bond over epic wins and hilarious fails, and we create friendships that extend beyond the digital world. So, if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you're passionate about gaming, don't hesitate. The gaming community is waiting to welcome you with open arms. So there you have it, my tips for boosting your gaming channel in 2024. Remember, it's all about staying ahead of the game, creating awesome content, and engaging with your community. If you found these tips helpful, do me a solid and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your fellow gamers. Start implementing these strategies today and see your gaming channel soar in 2024. Keep grinding, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun. Until next time, stay awesome.